Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make a tutorial about Monster Hunter Wilds, and in this video guys I'm going to share with you that how you actually can get a copy of the game guys for free. So you can pre-order guys with this method. I find it out, and you can do it in any platforms that you are playing. So if you want to learn how to do this, then watch the video until the end guys. I'm going to share to you all the steps I did for myself so you can learn it also how to do it on your own. As you can see guys, I have right in front of you my iPhone. I suggest also you to grab your smartphone because you're gonna need it in order to get a copy of the game. So it doesn't matter the device you're using, it can be iOS, it can be Android. The steps are going to be the same. What we're going to do, we're going to get a game code which you can redeem after a copy of the game in any platform that you want to play. Okay, so mine I got it by SMS guys. I'm gonna share with you how it looks like, or maybe if you decide also to get it by text, maybe it will look the same as mine. It says congratulations, task has been completed successfully. This is the game code, which is one-time use. I already did it, and is your Monster Hunter Wilds game code from this coupon. So basically I went to this site guys where you can find also a lot of other things you can check later. I'm just gonna use the searching bar and to find okay, here it is. And then you scroll it down, you have different platforms as you can see right over here. You can, for the whole platforms, the steps are the same guys. You just need to choose which one you play. Okay, so I'm just going to continue with PC5 since I did this for myself. Then you press unlock the code. You just need to wait guys a couple of seconds so the whole circle is to get complete 100%. This is to verify the validity of the coupons left, and then it's going to redirect you to another page when it's required to complete a little task in order to unlock the code. It's very simple to do it guys. You just need to read the instructions. Anyway, I'm gonna explain it to you as well. So it says here, download the complete two apps below to unlock Monster Hunter Wilds game code, and down below it says how to complete the task, enter phone number or email above to receive the code. As you saw with me, I got it by text because I put my phone number here. If you want, you can get it also by email. This is on your own choice how do you want to get the code. Down below guys, you're gonna have this list of the apps, which as you can see, all of them they are for free, and all of them they are from Play Store and App Store, so you don't have to do anything outside official stores guys. So everything you have to do is inside official stores. So what you have to do, you just need to choose two of these two apps guys to complete it as a task, and you need to read the instructions because every app has different instructions so you don't make any mistake. Okay, so try to choose which is the easiest one and the fastest one so you don't lose too much time as well. So me, I did game point bingo, and I did also family island. So how it works, once you're going to choose which you want to do it, you just press on it guys, and then for this particular app it's saying that it will take me to App Store practically because I'm using iOS, and I need to search in the searching bar bingo games and to find game point bingo, and just need to download it and install it. So basically search in the App Store. Okay, if you are using Play Store, Android is going to take you to Play Store, and type bingo games, and here it is, game point bingo. I already did it because when I got the code for myself, so I just need to download it and to open it again. So as well I did family island. Okay, so you go back, here is the family island and game point bingo. Also same steps with family island. I just need to play it to complete the level number 10 here, and after I completed both these two apps guys, I just came back, put my phone number here and submit it. Just keep in mind, if you decide also to get it by text, you should put your country code before guys. So if you are from United States, you put +1. If you are from United Kingdom, +44, and so on. It depends which country you are from. Okay, so after I submit it, a couple of minutes after, they just send me the text with a code on my phone. So this is it guys. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section guys. I'll be very happy to get in touch with you and try to help you with everything you need. Okay, see you in the next videos. Cheers.